Sorry guys, there's only a 15-minute limit, so like I said, this is long-winded, so here is part 2, which will be shorter than part 1, because we are almost done here, but thank you for sticking around. So I think we left off at work cooperatively and professionally, think critically and creatively, gosh, I messed that up twice, solve problems effectively, value individual differences and abilities, demonstrate personal accountability, and demonstrate community and global accountability. There shouldn't be many absences, excused or otherwise, because we're doing this online right now. Electronic devices, obviously, once we're in the classroom, that will not be allowed. But, seeing as though we're online, I can't stop you. And this is totally different, so you shouldn't be distracted as much, hopefully, and you should be getting this stuff done. Like I said, if you need help, email me. Set up a time where we can meet if you need one-on-one time. It's necessary for this online communications to email me and let me know at least 24 hours, especially if you need that back and forth or you want to do a Google Hangout or something or a phone call, just so that we can have that communication up. And obviously I check my emails pretty consistently, so I should be able to get back to you in a timely manner. Grading policy. This is, again, kind of different than what we'll be doing, but as we go through, you'll see which is going to be graded more and what is going to be graded less. Assignments are probably going to be higher. Activities are going to be a little higher because presentations aren't going to be as high, because that is when it was more of a speech class and now it's more of a theory class, so that won't be as high of a grade for this. So, questions. I think I've gone through this already, but is this course free? Yes, it is, because you're taking it through the high school. So it is free at this moment. So take advantage and get a good grade in this class, because that's 3 free credits. It's a lot of money that you'll be saving. Can the credits be used at other colleges other than NWTC? I don't believe so. It depends on the college though, so if you're going to a certain college, I would check in, because I'm sure they have a list on the NWTC site of where these could be transferred. Why is this course important to take? Oral and interpersonal communications. Any job you have, pretty much, unless you're just going to be stuck in an office with no people surrounding you, you're going to be communicating with people, and you need to learn how to do so effectively, whether it's over the phone, over the computer chat like we're doing right now, or in person. You're going to have to learn to communicate well with people and to word what you're saying correctly as to not offend people, especially in more negative situations where you're going to have to communicate certain things that aren't really comfortable to talk about, but you're going to have to do it in a professional manner. And that goes again with the other benefits of this course. Communication, confidence. I think your confidence is really going to be boosted. It's going to be a little different, especially if we stay this whole trimester online, but I still think that your communication skills are going to improve and your confidence is going to improve. I believe that any speech class, whether it's speech or just theory class, where you're getting up and talking way less than you would in a normal speech class, that your confidence really does improve. Alright, so final thing I'm going through is your introduction speech. Before, it was going to be a partner speech where you introduced your partner and you got used to getting up in front of the class and talking a bit and introducing not only your classmates, but also hopefully getting to know your other classmates. However, seeing as though this is online now, you're just going to be introducing yourself. This is in Google Classroom. You can do it in a video format if you feel more comfortable, but I still need a document format of you typing up your speech, and you have to do it in normal speech format. I do have in Google Classroom, actually let's just go to it. I have the basic speech outline form right here. Follow that speech outline form, okay? Because that's going to help you guys. That is going to help you guys write out the speech, so it's not just like an essay format and It's not just you answering the questions that I have posted on the actual assignment. So you'll see the assignment right here, and then you'll see the questions under instructions on how to introduce yourself, what kind of questions you should be answering. Obviously, you can answer more than this, but these are the basic questions I want you to answer, but still in speech format. So, hi, my name is so-and-so, and then get it to introducing yourself, kind of like you would introduce yourself maybe to a new person, or if you were introducing yourself in a job interview. Some of you have jobs, and I'm sure you've had to introduce yourself in a way similar to this. Think of it as that. You wouldn't just be listing off answers to questions a lot of times in these situations. So use that speech format document and write that out. Sorry, wrong one. Another wrong one. All right, so you're introducing yourself. You're writing an introduction speech, introducing yourself to the class, but mostly to me because the class won't be able to see it, and then post it in the classroom assignment section. That is due Friday. Friday being, if you see up here, that Friday is going to be, because we're starting the 30th, it'll be Friday, April 3rd. So, oops, that's Tuesdays. So, if you guys are watching this before Monday, March 30th, you can get a little ahead if you want, but I'm not going to be posting these videos super quickly because not only does it take a while to record, but I'm also recording for 2 other classes, and uploading these videos takes about 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes depending. So, that is the end of this video. I really hope that you guys enjoy writing your introduction speeches just so that I can get to know you. If you want to also put a picture added with that speech, that would be great. I'd love to match faces with the information you're giving me, because again, this is really difficult teaching these classes online, especially when I know only some of you from last trimester. So please introduce yourself, maybe post a picture if you're comfortable with it, or even better, record a video of you presenting your speech. That would be awesome. So, have a good day.